We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello everyone, I am Ritesh Chauhan working as an assistant professor in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Here I am going to explain IDDFS, that is Iterative Deepening Depth First Search of the subject Artificial Intelligence. So what is IDDFS search? This is a combination of breadth first search and depth first search. We all know that this BFS and DFS is also known as blind search or uninformed search because we follow a pattern in this both the algorithm. We have not have any knowledge about which direction is best to move for the goal node. Here in BFS, the root node is expanded first and then all nodes generated by root node are expanded next and then their successor and so on. But in DFS, it always expands one of the node at deepest level of the tree. Only when search hits a dead end, that is a non-goal node with no expansion, then the search go back and expand nodes to shallower level. Here IDDFS is a combination of this both DFS and BFS. Let's see how. In IDDFS, when it does search, then it follows DFS. But when it expands their nodes, it follows BFS by increment depth limit by 1. Let's understand this with example. Here A is a root node. If it is not a goal node, then IDDFS expand the child node by increment depth limit by 1. But the search of the goal node is conducted by DFS manner. First A, then B, and then C. If the goal node is not found, then IDDFS repeat the same step. Now it increment the depth limit 1 once again by following BFS. Now search will be happen in DFS manner. First A, then B, then D, E, then C, then F, then at last G. So here we clearly see that IDDFS takes the advantages of both DFS and BFS. Thus it guarantees the optimal solution. Let's see the algorithm. Step 1. Set the search depth equal to 0. Conduct a DFS to the depth of the search, that is 0. In previous example we see the root node A is at depth 0. If the solution is found, then return and quit. Otherwise increment search depth by 1 and go to step 2. Let's see this algorithm by finding the goal node in next example. Suppose the goal node is 11, then how IDDFS works, let's see. As per step 1, we set search depth equal to 0. Now by performing DFS, we get 1, which is not a goal node. Now we go to step 3 by incrementing depth limit by 1. Here now we search DFS wise. So we get 1, then 2 and 3. Still goal node is not found. We increment the depth level by 1 with the help of breadth first search. Now perform DFS. We get 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6 and 7. Still goal node is not found. According to the algorithm, go to step 2 and increment the search depth again by 1. Now applying DFS, we get 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, then 5, 10, then 11. The goal is reached. So here we compared two types of uninformed search, DFS and BFS. DFS is efficient in terms of space by required some cutoff depth in order to force backtracking when solution was not found. Otherwise, it may go into the infinite loop. And BFS was guaranteed to find the shortest solution path but required large amount of space because all leaf node had to be kept in the memory. So by taking the advantages of both BFS and DFS, IDDFS gives us the optimal solution compared to BFS and DFS. Hope you all understand this concept of IDDFS. Thank you.